Hi, it's Dr. Saab. In this video, I'm going to show you the Mercedes-AMG A35 4MATIC Premium Plus. Now this video, I'm going to go over the specification and what features this car has. Check out my AMG playlist to learn more about other AMG models and also other really cool cars. I wanted to say a big thank you to Lucas Mercedes-Benz Wolverhampton for making this video possible. Now the A35 AMG comes in different versions, so you can buy the Mercedes-AMG A35 4MATIC Executive, or you can also buy the A35 4MATIC in Premium, and then you've got this car, which is the Premium Plus. So you've got three different versions that you can buy. You can also buy the A45 S 4MATIC Plus. The A45 is the top of the range and the most powerful A-Class you can buy. Now the A35 4MATIC Premium Plus is the top of the range A35, and the car just looks absolutely epic. You could be forgiven to think it's the A45. Apart from a few little finishes like the quad exhausts and maybe the wheels, you'd be hard pressed to tell which one's which. I think that's a massive compliment to the A35 AMG. Because this is the Premium Plus, you basically get all the main options that you could possibly think of, including panoramic electric sunroof, the multi-beam LED headlights, you get these amazing 19-inch AMG alloy wheels, which I think look really good. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of the wheels? As standard equipment goes, you get everything in the premium package as well as the executive package. So I think executive package, you get things like the 10.25-inch screens, you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, keyless entry. With the executive, you also get the night package, which gives gloss black finishes for the wheels, for the trim around the car, and the car just looks a bit more evil with that. Now premium package, you get a lot of other equipment such as the improved sound system. So that's 10 speakers in the car with a total output of 225 watts. You also get MBUX augmented reality for your satellite navigation, and then Premium Plus is just fully loaded. So you get the panoramic sunroof, the multi-beam LED headlights, you get the 19-inch alloy wheels that I've mentioned before, and the AMG aerodynamic package. So you get the front splitter, you get the additional flicks on the front apron, you get an additional diffuser blade, side spoiler lips on the rear apron, and rear spoiler as well. Now for looks, I just think this car looks amazing with a Pan America grille, which is standard. You get that on the executive and premium, but I think this Premium Plus model with all the aggressive finishes, this car just looks like an A45 with all those touches. Let me know in the comments, which one would you buy? You also get the 360 camera, so there's 4 cameras around the car, front, back, and on the mirrors, which gives you a 360 degree view of your car, which is really useful. And then you also get the head-up display, which I actually love to use. Now this model is the facelift. This car was facelifted in 2023, so this car gets the 8 DCT, while the old car used to get 7-speed DCT. So now you get 8 gears, and the old car you get 7 gears. Now this car gets 306 brake horsepower from a petrol 2-litre 4-cylinder engine, and you've also got the mild hybrid drive, which is introduced to the facelift with 14 horsepower. So it has mild hybrid technology. It technically only adds about 4 brake horsepower, which helps with acceleration, boost, and recuperation. 0 to 62 is 4.7 seconds and the top speed of 155 miles per hour. Mercedes claim that you can do 32 mpg. Let me know in the comments if you own one of these and if you're getting those kind of mpgs. I'm sure it'll help someone that's reading the comments. Now in terms of design, the front definitely looks like it's much lower. It's got a lower stance. Now I do also love the power domes on the car. It gives a really sporty look. As well, you now get the AMG Alpha Bach logo instead of the AMG badge, which is quite a nice touch. And you also get the new headlight design. You've got new wheel design. The rear taillights have a new design too. You also get AMG performance seats, which is an option. You also get the new AMG performance steering wheel, which even has screens that you can control. I think that's pretty cool. That looks like tech from the new SL63 AMG, which isn't a bad thing. Now the great thing is you do get a button for dynamic select, which means you can really customize customize the car. You've got the latest MBUX, and you also get unique designs of the screen layout because it is an AMG, similar to the C43 AMG layout. Some big changes compared to the pre-facelift is the center console controls, which have been replaced with a space. Now you get 4 buttons: dynamic button, volume control, which is also a and on and off switch, and then you've got the fingerprint sensor, which might not be available for UK customers, and a button for park assist or access to the cameras too. Now I wanted to know, what is your opinion on these wheels? Do you like the design of them? At first, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really like the look of them, but now spending some time with the car, I think the wheels actually look really good. The wheels look really good as well when you turn and look away from the car. It looks super aggressive when you look at this angle. Now this car has the keyless entry, and I know it's got keyless entry because it's got the chrome door handles, which means that this car's got the keyless entry. Now check out my A-Class playlist to learn more about how to use the keyless entry and some of the other really cool features. That will be on the A-Class, but it will be very similar to the A35. So check that out if you want to learn more about how to use the controls. You can find that video on the top right corner or in the description. One feature that I really love is the panoramic sunroof. So if you do have anyone that gets car sick in the car, this can actually help. So they're less likely to do sick in your lovely car. Boot space is exactly the same as what you get in an A-Class, apart from under the boot tray. If you've got the car with the upgraded speakers, then you do lose a bit of space under here. But that's the same if you went for normal A-Class as well. So the AMG, you don't lose a huge amount of space for the rear. And the seats do fold as well. And the parcel shelf comes off just like the standard A-Class. And you can fold the seats as well, just like the A-Class, making this car really practical. Let me know in the comments what you think of the sound of the car, and next week's video I'll probably show you how it sounds while it's driving. I'll see how it comes out and let me know your thoughts when I do make that video. And I'll also show you how the other screens work, how they appear, and the new design and the layout of the new screens. So hopefully that video is interesting. I think it'll be really cool to see the instrument cluster and the new design layout. Compared to the old one, it definitely looks a bit newer, fresher. The previous one still looks really good, but the new one, obviously with the slight changes, just gives the car a new feel. I'm aiming to get that video out next week, so please subscribe so you don't miss that video. And if I've already made it, you can see it on the top right corner or in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out the A-Class playlist to learn more about this car, and also the A-Class, where I show how to use the main controls of the car, which will be very similar to this A35 AMG. Some of the videos in the playlist may be of other cars, but the features should be the same, so hopefully it helps you out too. There is a new thanks feature. If you want to donate to the channel, then please feel free to use this feature, and any money raised from YouTube will be used to buy more equipment. Thanks for watching.